Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple QR code with a simple software in Linux, and the program we are going to be using is called Zend. Now to install Zend, just open up your terminal. It doesn't matter which Linux distro you are in. I believe it can also be installed on Windows. If you are on a Debian based distro, here is a command to install Zend. Just run sudo apt install Zend. Let that one run. And then the second one is sudo apt install Zend -qt. If you are on Red Hat or Fedora or any of the related distro, here's the command. If you are on Arch based distro, here's the command. Now once it is installed, just go to your app drawer and you should find Zend right here. And this app can be used to generate all kinds of QR code and barcodes. Okay, so just pick whichever format you want here and then proceed to create your QR or barcode. Let me show you an example. So that's the Japanese barcode. Let's pick the normal QR code, which should be this one, and then let's write, and just as you're typing, the QR code is being generated right away. Apart from the symbolism above here, you can also choose from this list over here. If you want a specific one, you can choose from here. I'll prefer to go with the default, so I'll select none. You can also change the QR code formatting. We have the encoding mode, we have the standard, and also the HIBC code. On the right here we have you can set the size. I prefer we stick to the automatic. Error correction, you can select whichever one you prefer, and then we have the mask, leave it automatic. Then under appearances is where you can choose to have border around your QR code. So let's say, for example, right now there is no border. You can decide to add a box around, and then after selecting box, make sure to increase the border width right there. You can also choose a bind and then increase. You can see. Now let's get back to no border, and then on the right we have the colors. For instance, you can see by default it is black and white. The foreground is black, the background is white. You can change the fore color to whichever color you prefer. Suppose we pick green, blue, and then for the background you can choose whichever color you want. I can choose like yellow. So there is your QR code. If you don't like the colors, you can reset from here and it goes back to black and white. And then you can also rotate it if you want, 180 or 270. You can also have it as dotted and increase the dot size if you want. If you don't want the dotty, you can leave it that way. And then once you are done, there's also the print scale output. You can increase this if you want it to be scaled upon printing. Well, after customizing here, you can also go back and change the text right here. I'm going to write subscribe to LxRealm, which is exactly what you should do. Let's go with save as, and this one is going to save as PNG, so let's name the file and save, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for watching.